Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Beef Varattiyathu. To begin, select 1 kilogram of fresh beef, cut into small, uniform pieces. This ensures even cooking and absorption of all the wonderful flavors. We'll then move on to marinating the beef with a special blend of spices, setting the stage for a truly authentic taste experience. Get ready to create a delicious, aromatic dish. For this recipe, gather 1 kilogram of beef, cut into small, bite-sized pieces. You'll also need fresh ginger, garlic, and green chilies, which form the aromatic base. Essential spices include turmeric powder, chili powder, and garam masala for that signature flavor. Don't forget coconut oil for cooking and fresh curry leaves to finish, adding an authentic touch. The cooking process begins by marinating the beef with a blend of spices, then pressure cooking it until it's perfectly tender. Next, in a separate pan, sauté finely chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies in coconut oil until fragrant. Add the cooked beef to this mixture and slow roast it, stirring frequently, until the beef is dry and beautifully browned. Finally, stir in fresh curry leaves. For the best beef varattiyathu, always use fresh, high-quality beef. Remember, slow roasting is crucial. It allows the flavors to deepen and the beef to achieve that perfect dry texture. Feel free to adjust the amount of chili powder to match your preferred spice level. This delicious dish is best served hot with traditional Kerala paratha, appam, or a simple plate of steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.